Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a look with the new Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I just have to say that I am absolutely in awe of this. I think Jackie did the damn thing with this palette. Speechless. So if you would like to see how I create this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you next time. Hi guys, so today I am going to be reviewing and giving a shot at Jackie Aina's new palette. I was stalking my mail, trying to wait for it to come. I did get the promo package with the makeup bag. I don't have it in front of me, but I will show you this. It is so cute. Let's just start off by saying this. I have not opened it because I was waiting to do this video. So let's break her open. Here we go. Okay. So this is the palette. Let's open her up. Here we go. I have seen these already because I've watched a million videos about people reviewing them and saying how awesome it is. I don't really have a plan as to what I'm gonna do today, but let's just dive right in. Okay. So first, I'm going to go in with Ginger. I'm going to go in with Ginger, and I'm going to use that as my transition color. And put that in my crease. And I have already primed my eyes with concealer. Don't want to use edges. Let me see, because edges is just looking at me and I'm looking at it, and it's looking at me and I'm looking at it. So I think edges wants to be used today. So I'm gonna take some edges and we're gonna put that in the outer corner. And look at that. I barely tap my brush into this palette, and look at all this. And it blends really easy. I mean, some palettes, some eyeshadows, you have to put a lot of work in to blend it out. But this one is smooth like butter. Go right in. Just gonna take, let's see. I'm gonna start on the outer color because I don't know what it. Look. 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 Look at this. Look at this. You know, this right here, I was gonna just put it in the outer parts because I didn't really know what it was gonna look like, but girl, child, this right here, Jackie Aina knew what she was doing when she created this palette. That's all I'm gonna say. I have never seen I don't think I've ever, like, this isn't even what I was expecting when I dipped my brush into it. It's not. It's not. It's just not. It's just not. And look, I guess this is my quick little look because I mean she really don't need much after that. I might deepen out my V's with credit. Yep, that's exactly what I'm gonna do next. And then we're done. We're done because the benediction has been given. Okay, I'm taking a little credit now. And swooshy swoosh. So now I'm just going to line my eyes just a little bit. I don't really wear eyeliner anymore because I went through years of doing lash extensions. I don't currently have one any right now, so I'm just gonna do a little bit. Boom. Boom. Okay, so I'm gonna put on my falsies. My camera is almost about to die. I'm gonna put on falsies. I'm gonna set my entire face with this, and then I'm gonna come back into my contour and show you guys the final look, okay? Okay, so I have my falsies. I put some mascara on my bottom lashes. I used a brown liner to line my waterline, and I put credit to smoke it out. Now we are going to contour. Okay, I am using my Nars Paloma. It's a contour and setting powder duo. And I used the Fenty cream contour before I started. I also used my Nars and NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and then my Tarte concealer before we got started. I did that off camera. I'm going to, let's go with Solil. I'm gonna try just a dab of that. Yes, and just highlight under my brow. I haven't done this in a long time, but this color right here, I'm also going to take that into my inner tear ducts too. I'm shook. I mean, this palette is perfect. Everything about it. Everything. Becca, Opal. Okay. And I guess I'm gonna do a blush. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Shayla's Under Construction Pressed Powder Blush in Construct. And I'm just gonna take a dab of that. And there we go, that's all she needs. Now I'm just gonna take this Olay mist, this Ultimate Hydration Essence, and I'm gonna set. I forgot about my lips, didn't I? Okay. I'm just gonna go in with a nude lip. So I'm gonna take my Makeup Shayla BFF Lippy and Slow Down. I just grabbed something, so that's what we got. Okay, BFF. She need to be sharpened a little bit. Here we go. BFF 3. That's what I'm using. Yeah. Yes, honey, yes. So red lips used to be my signature, and it's funny because my mom used to love red lips, and everybody used to say I look like my mom with my red lips. But lately, I've been nuding it out. So overall, I love this palette, and I've only used 3 colors, and I'm in love already. So I'm gonna change, and then we will get into this look. And